Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend and enjoyed the extra day off. And I also wanted to say good morning and a warm welcome to some of our new friends that will be joining us. We are really excited and we can't wait to see you soon. All right, today is Tuesday, February 16th, 2021. It is the 108th day of school. And before we go through our schedule, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So for our schedule, a few schedule changes that we talked a little bit about last week, but one will be that our math and our reading times will just be flip-flopping. So our classes will still meet at the same time. It's just we will have math in the morning at 10, and then we will have word building or wit and wisdom at 1 in the afternoon. So for this morning, when you come to the first live class this morning, if you could please bring your math workbooks, bring both of your math workbooks, your dry erase sleeve and marker, that would be great. And then when we meet again at 1, if you could please bring the letters for word building, that I'll go over in just a moment. The other thing that has changed with our schedule is the special schedule. So we have moved to a 6-day rotation. And you might remember from last year that you would have on day 1, you would have a certain special, on day 2, you would have a certain special, and that's what it's going to be like again. So today is day 1, and your special for today is Creative Connections. And that is the new special. And it looks really cool. I think you are going to really enjoy it, so I can't wait to hear about it. But the other change is that the specials will now be, your special time is now at 12:05 instead of 11:45 or 12:15. All of the specials every day will be at 12:05. All right? Okay, so those are the schedule changes, but please let me know if you have any questions or any concerns, and especially for our new friends joining us, if you need anything or have any questions or unsure, please just let me know, Seesaw, email, whatever works best. Okay, so for your activities coming out first thing this morning, you will see a wonder and notice lesson for our new text in Module 3 in Wit and Wisdom, and it is called Feel the Wind, and this was in the 4th supply box. And then the second activity you'll see will be the new fluency passage, and the fluency passage is in this Module 3 Wit and Wisdom workbook that was also in the 4th supply box, the box that you just picked up. And the fluency passage today is just where you listen to me reading it, and then you can start to work on practicing it over the next several days. And that is in this book. Then the other thing will be a deep dive lesson, and those will be the things that you'll see this morning. There's an optional flip grid as well if you would like to share about your long weekend. And for our new friends joining, I added you to the flip grid, and the password to get in is just your first initial, last initial. Okay, sorry about that. The other thing is there is not an application problem along with today's math lesson. So, all right, so those are the 3 things that you will see this morning. And then we will meet at 10, as I mentioned, for math. So if you could please bring both of your math workbooks. There is a sprint today, so if you could have those. Then we will meet again at 1 for word building. And if you could please bring a blank dictation paper as well as these letters. ABEHINOPTU, and then in the Ziploc bag you should find CK and then the CH and the TCH. So if you could please bring those, that would be great. All right, so as I mentioned before, I can't wait to see some of our new friends and new faces and get started. So before we sign off for right now, the joke for today is, what did the snowman have for breakfast? What did the snowman have for breakfast? I will give you the answer at 10. All right, please let me know if you have any questions or need anything, and I can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye.